Our last pattern, pattern 7. The sentences on the left are pattern 5. The ones on the right, pattern 7. What's the difference? Pause the video until you have the answer. The parts of the patterns are crucial to the meaning of the sentence. So in the pattern 5, you need the direct object, sister, in order to complete the transitive verb, believed. But what about the extra word in pattern 7? The adjective. Is that necessary? If we take out intelligent, do we still have the meaning of this sentence? Or have we now made something completely different? To believe his sister, to think she is not lying, is completely different than to believe that she is intelligent. So yes, this adjective is necessary. Let's check the other two sentences. Charlotte found the ring. Charlotte found the ring beautiful. Again, very different ideas of finding a ring and finding it beautiful. Now let's look at these two. The purpose of the second sentence isn't that she was elected, but that she was elected president. So what is this final element called? Like with subject complements, the object complements can be either nouns or adjectives. The difference between subject complements and object complements is in what they are complementing. With the OC, the direct object is being renamed, not the subject. And voila, pattern 7. Subject plus action verb transitive plus direct object plus object complement. This is not a common pattern. In fact, there are only a few verbs that can create an object complement. These are most of them. Now that we've finished all the patterns, here's a chance to see them all together. These patterns are organized by verb. With each new pattern, the verb and complete predicate become a little more complex. We also now know 6 of the 7 noun functions. Subject, of course, that's the easiest. Predicate nominative. Direct object. Indirect object. And object complement. The final two are object of the preposition, which could appear as the adverb, the adverbial phrase in pattern 1, and a positive. We'll talk more about appositives in the next video. So let's see if you know what you're doing. Identify the pattern 7 sentence for among the following choices. Pause the video until you have the answer. And yes, it was sentence number 2. Let's check. Circle the verb, underline the subject, determine the verb type, and then highlight the pattern. Ava painted her house. Blue is actually part of it. It's not that she painted it, it's that she painted it blue. So we do have an object complement and a pattern 7 sentence. That's it. We did it. We now know all the ways to construct a sentence. That means we can figure out what's happening in any sentence we will ever see. Well, kind of. More about this later.